Hi, my name is Dr. Areej Al-Hamad, Assistant Professor at Daphne Cockwell School of Nursing at Toronto Metropolitan University in Canada. And I recently published Homestay Hosting Dynamics and Refugee Wellbeing, a JBI Scoping Review that published in Interactive Journal of Medical Research. So homestay hosting creates a unique guest host dynamic that significantly impacts the well-being of both parties. These arrangements often foster cultural exchange and mutual support as hosts provide refugees with a stability and a sense of belonging, while guests bring diverse perspective and enrich the household. However, power imbalances, differences in expectation, and cultural misunderstanding can strain relationship, potentially leading to stress or emotional discomfort for both host and guest. When managed with a clear communication, mutual respect, and empathy, homestay hosting can enhance emotional well-being, promote integration, and create meaningful connection that benefit both refugees and their host families. I just want to share that as a Muslim immigrant woman and researcher, I'm always committed to women's empowerment. And as a researcher, I believe it is our responsibility to address various disparities that these women encounter in their lives and to foster an environment where these women can thrive. I always aim to shed light on systemic barriers that hinder the progress of women, particularly those belonging to equity deserving groups, including immigrants and refugees. My research program is deeply rooted in the principle of equity, diversity, and social inclusion and aims to identify and dismantle these barriers to create pathways for empowerment, success through participatory and inclusive research methodology. I believe that only by embracing the richness of our diverse society, we can truly uplift these women and create a more just and inclusive world. My research program aspires to be a catalyst for change, striving for women's empowerment and foster equity, diversity, and social justice. Together, let us work towards a future where all women, regardless of their background, can reach their fullest potential. Thank you. So we choose to submit our research to JMIR publication because of its reputation as a leading venue for innovative and interdisciplinary studies at the intersection of health, technology, and digital solution, as well as the GMIR commitment to address critical health and social challenges. The journal's broad readership, rigorous peer review process, and emphasis on high quality, impactful publication make it an ideal platform to share our findings and contribute to the growing body of evidence in this field. Thank you.